Welcome to Better Class. We developed this web application to facilitate users in creating a whiteboard in which users can join and collaborate, and it also uses less resources and you don't have to share your screen. So let's see how it works. First, we need to create an account using this create account button in which we can enter our basic information, a name and an email address and a password. When we create account, it directs us to this dashboard in which there are no classrooms as of yet, but when you create a classroom, it appears here and we can see other users classrooms as well. Now let's create a classroom. You just have to enter a name. Let's say algorithms. You can create a one-way classroom in which only I'll be able to draw, or we can uncheck this so that everyone in the classroom can draw. Let's create a one-way classroom for now. So this is the classroom with a blank canvas in the center, an eraser, a clear board button which clears everything, different colors to differentiate between the material, a message box, participant list, a leave class button, and clicking this I button pops out an information board in which you can see when this classroom was created and the information regarding it, and it displays that only the teacher can draw on this board because it's a one-way classroom. Now let's create another user and check if this works. We create an account. Using all the basic info. Now we can see a classroom already created called algorithms. We can join the class, but we can't do anything like delete or edit any content inside it. We can use this unique ID to join this classroom, or we can directly join with this join class button. I'm going to join this classroom and I can see that there are two participants, but there is no content. There is no button which you can use to modify the information inside it. I can just send a message or leave the class. Now let's see if we can send a message. Hello Devanga. Now Devanga has received this message and you can also reply hello Hariom. Now we can see this message box works. Now let's see if we can draw and Hariom can see the content from the other side. So write HELLO, use a different color, A, B, C, D. So as you can see, Hariom can view the contents from the other side, but he can't edit the contents. I as the owner can erase this, or I can clear the board, which pops out to confirm that I want to clear the whole board. Clicking OK clears out everything. Now I can see that the content has been deleted from here as well. Now I as Hariom can leave the classroom. So I'll be back to my dashboard in which there's only one classroom now. And I can see that Hariom has left the classroom. Now I can also leave this classroom, but I'll be able to delete this as well. But Hariom cannot delete this. So this is how it works. And there's another profile section in which I can view what email I have used and what name I have used to create this account. So after I use this web application, I can just sign out and I'll be redirected back to the home page. Thank you.